Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to contact NASDAQ customer support. You can easily contact to NASDAQ customer support. To do that, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.nasdaq.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of NASDAQ. Now, to contact the customer support, you need to first log into your account. To do that, click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then, here you will be taken to login page. Now, here you can manually log into your account, or you can log in using your LinkedIn, Google, or your Facebook account. I am going to manually log into my account by entering my email address and my password on the given box. Then click on login option. With this, you'll be logged into your NASDAQ account. Now here you can see your profile icon on top right corner. So click on your profile icon again, then click on customer support option on second. With this, you'll be taken to customer support page. Now here, you need to fill out the given form. So first enter your first name on the given box, then enter your last name on the given box. With this, enter your company's name on the given box. Then enter your email address on the given box. With this, enter your phone number. It is an optional choice. Then select your location by clicking on the given box. After this, you need to select what you are interested in looking for. NASDAQ offers different types of query type including general inquiries, technical support or media relations. So choose any one of them. Then you can enter your comment. This is an optional choice. After this, you can click on Submit option. Once you've filled your contact form and submit it to NASDAQ customer support team, NASDAQ customer support team will review your query and respond to it through email or phone. Response time may vary according to the nature of your inquiry. Similarly, if you have an urgent issue or need immediate assistance, you can try contacting NASDAQ's customer support through phone. This is how we can contact NASDAQ customer support. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.